friends, welcome back to Summer Hill. Today is day 11 of the 12 days of Christmas DIYs. In today's video, we've got a fun project plan where we are going to be putting fabric on round Christmas ball ornament. Let's grab our supplies and get started on this fun DIY. Okay, so for this DIY, you are going to need some fabric, ribbon, some decoupage, a paintbrush. You will need some ornaments. I got these at the Dollar Tree and they're plastic. You'll need some scissors and you can use a rotary cutter if you have that, or just scissors. So let's get crafting. To begin, we need to cut strips of fabric 4 inches by 1/2 inch. I'm using a rotary color, a mat, and a ruler, and it makes this step go really quick, but for many, many years I only use scissors and those work just fine.
Okay, so the first thing I do is I take off this, and you're going to take this thing out, and you really have to pull hard to get them out, like that.
Now, take some decoupage on a paintbrush and start at the very top and make a whole row of decoupage all the way down to the bottom. Then you're going to take one of your strips of fabric. You will start it at the top and then go straight down to the bottom. Next, apply a layer of decoupage on top of the fabric, making sure to smooth out any bumps. Next, add some more decoupage next to that strip of fabric and add another strip of fabric. Make sure that when you apply each strip of fabric that you're going straight down and smooth out all those bumps.
So one thing I'm doing is, you see that little hole right there? I'm kind of putting one next to it where it's straight, leaving that hole, and then I'll go over that hole with another one. Because what I'm really trying to focus on is getting them where they don't have bumps in them. And that seems to be working like a charm. And definitely doing this 1/2 inch size by 4 inch helps. And if you have a larger ornament, then you may need to go with a longer piece of fabric.
Now let's listen to a little bit of music while I keep crafting. We'll finish adding all of the strips of fabric, and then let's let this dry for 20 to 30 minutes.
Now all I do is pinch it in. I have decoupage all over my fingers. I promise they are not, they're not shedding, but you pinch that in and then you just push it down in there until you get it around it. So we've got it on. So now we just need to add some ribbon to it. First of all, just cut you a long piece. This is probably 15 inches. Actually, it's 18 inches. And you just thread it through, find your center like this, and then tie it on. Make sure these are pretty close to being the same. And then you're going to take and basically like tying a shoelace, you're going to make a bow. Then I like to, at this point, make sure my ears are the same length. And then you take the top and you tie it together. And I think I used a 20-inch piece on the other one because I don't remember it being this close up at the top. So do make it a 20-inch piece of ribbon. All right, let's go put them on the Christmas tree. Thanks for joining me here at Summer Hill. Stay tuned because tomorrow night I have another DIY coming. See you soon. Bye.